For part 2, we're going to condense. So we're going to do the opposite, because condense means makes it smaller as a single log. Now, if I take a look here, just make sure one that you have the same base, which we do here. So since I'm subtracting, I could write this as log base 4 of 7 over 10. Very easy to do. Now for number 10, I know I'm going to add them, so I'm adding, so I'm going to multiply them. But the first thing we got to do is we have to undo the power first. So we're going to bring the power up top. So this becomes the log base 5 of 4 times, plus the log base 5 of x to the 1/3. And you can write that as the cube root if you like. You don't have to. So this becomes the log base 5. Now that I'm multiplying, we add log base 5 of 4 times x to the 1/3. And there's our answer. Same thing for number 11. I'm subtracting, so I know I'm going to have to divide, but we have this multiplication here first, so we have to take care of our power beforehand. So we get the log of x, this is our common log, you can put the 10 there if you want to, minus the log of x minus 7 to the 1/4. And now we're going to write this as our division, log of x over x minus 7 to the 1/4. Now, if you want to, you can write this as log of x over the 4th root of x minus 7. If you want. That's okay to do. So let's take a look at a few more. Now, some of these we might have to simplify a little bit. This becomes the log of 3, base 3 of 21, minus, bring the power up here. This becomes the log of 3 times 9 to the 1/2. Now, what's 9 to the 1/2? Oh, that's just 3. The log base 3 of 21 minus the log base 3 of 3. Alright. Now, although I can simplify log base 3 of 3 as 1, I'm not going to because I want to write this as a single logarithm. All the single logs, all the single logs. So I get 21 over 3, and it actually comes out pretty nice. That's the log base 3 of 7. Very nice to do. Alright. Let's try the next one. Oh, because I'm adding, and they're already kind of like in this little form right here, I am going to just write this as the natural log of the cube root of 2 times the cube root of 4. Now, you're actually done right here, but you can go further. Write them in their base forms. This is 2 to the 1/3 times, this is 4 to the 1/3. So I get the natural log of 2 to the 1/3 times, this is 2 to the 2/3. And what's so nice, because now when I add them, this becomes the natural log of 2 to the 1st, because 1/3 plus 2/3 equals 1. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is just the natural log of 2. And you should always simplify if you can. Anytime you recognize your base can be written as the same, you should always do that. Alright, for number 14, just using the properties. Order of operations, take care of the inside first. We're going to get 3 times the natural log, the log of hj plus 2 log k. Bring the 3 up, but you got to be careful. This becomes hj cubed. They have to use the parentheses plus the log of k squared. Oh, it should be h over j. Thank you. H over j. So let me rewrite that. This should become the log of h over j cubed. Don't need the 3 there anymore, I guess. Plus the log of k squared. And now I'm going to multiply them together. So we get the log of h over j cubed times k squared, and that would be our answer right here. Ooh, that's a weird one. Alright, number 15. Using our property, of course, use the power property. We get the log of 5, base 5 of 75, minus the log base 5. Remember, this is 9 to the 1/2. We know 9 to the 1/2 is just 3, so log base 5 of 75 minus the log base 5 of 3 Because of minusing, we're now going to divide. Log base 5 of 75 over 3, which is, remember, the log base 5 of 25. Now, if you got this far, you're doing pretty good. But remember, I can write 25 in terms of 5. So we get the log base 5 of 5 squared. And like our rule says, those cancel. And what are we left with? Just 2. All right, that's our notes for today. We'll see. We're going to practice more of these. And don't forget, we have our quiz tomorrow. So please make sure you study for that.